Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to enable developer option on Samsung. First go to your phone setting, tap one phone setting, scroll down, then tap one about phone, scroll down, select software information, fourth tap bullet number, unlock your phone, allow development setting. Okay, let's go back. See developer option. Thank you watching video.